What's up, y'all? Welcome to SS Motorsports. Today we're here with this 2017 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. We just finished installing the Whipple 2.9 liter Stage 2 blower. Check it out. So as you can see, the 2.9 liter blower looking real nice under the hood, but also we're trying to perfect under the hoods of these Mopars. So right here, we prototyped this nice ABS module cover. Basically clean up the engine bay, hides all the ABS lines, wires off the fuse box, have it looking clean. We're about to offer these either color match to your vehicle or in carbon fiber, your choice. So right now this is just running the base tune off of Whipple, but base is okay. We want more power, but reliable power at that. So that's why we're gonna hit up my boy Hobby at Tune Guru, see what we're really doing. You ready?
Let's get it, bro.
Yes, sir. All right, let's make some magic.
What up, everybody? This is Javi from Tune Guru. I'm here to show you some crazy before and after numbers on this Whipple supercharged Scat Pack. You can see the before graph right there. I'm gonna show you the after. Huge jump in power bands. We got more torque, we got more horsepower. Our air fuel ratio has been corrected. We slapped on an extra 120 horsepower to the wheels. That's 500 horse to the wheel on Mustang. That'll read over 600 on a Dyno Jet. 515 torque, also over 600 torque on a Dyno Jet. This shows you the importance of dyno tuning the vehicle after we supercharge it.